Okay, what we're going to demonstrate here today is the power difference between a super modulator kit, which is this little circuit right here, and a little circuit board I built and designed was called a power swinger. Basically what the power swinger is a variable power control that's installed on the SWR calibrate knob. Basically I installed a switch here so we can switch between the power swinger, which will be this back position, and the super modulator kit is a forward position. Basically we got 2 meter readings. This is the average power and this is the peak power, and we're going to try the super modulator kit first, and we're clocking in there somewhere around about a 1.2. It's for reading the dead key. It's best to read the average power with a 1.2 1.3 watt dead key. Hello, hey, audio bouncing around somewhere around 28 to 30 watts peak. Hey, audio. Hey. Now let's try the variable power control. Now, like I said, the best way to read the dead key is I watch the average power. And as you can see, it goes all the way up to 8 watts and all the way down to right around 2.3 watts. Hey, audio. Hey. And as you can see, we're hitting up there 33, 34, sometimes 35 watts on the peak swing. Hello, audio. Hey. And you can also see a little bit higher average power too. Hello, audio. Hey. And that's the basic difference between a traditional super modulator kit and the power swinger board. Basically, the power swinger board gives you more power.